If you're hand watering a big fabric bed, you're either guessing or you're stuck doing it every other day. What's up everyone? Welcome back. Today, I'm setting up and installing the Thirsty Earth watering system into my 3x3 grassroots fabric bed using organic living soil. Inconsistent watering is one of the easiest ways to run into problems with living soil, especially in larger fabric beds. It's really easy to overwater one area and completely miss another. Before installing anything into the bed, the first step is setting up the system itself. I start by laying out all of the components, the Cotta Cups, the tubing, and the fittings. Before anything goes into the beds, there's a little bit of assembly to knock out first. That's mainly putting together the cap nut assemblies and getting everything ready so it installs cleanly once it's in the soil, and planning the spacing based on the size of the bed. To install the cups, I'm using a garden auger, which makes this part way easier. It keeps the holes clean and helps minimize disturbance to the soil structure, which is important in a living soil bed. Once the holes are made, the cups drop right in. I backfill around them and make sure everything sits flush with the soil surface. Next, I connect the tubing so each cup is fed evenly from the main line. I am an affiliate for the Thirsty Earth. If you're interested in checking this system out, I'll have the link in the description below. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. If you're running a bucket or reservoir, this is where you make sure everything is routed cleanly and ready to supply water. There is no soaking or pre-treating required. Once the system is connected and water reaches the cups, it's ready to work. If you're running fabric beds, raised beds, large fabric pots, or want a more hands-off watering routine, this system fits really well into that style of gardening. I'll be checking back in after this has been running for a while to show how it performs long-term and how it integrates into the rest of my system. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more organic gardening content, and feel free to drop any questions down below. If you want to learn more about the system, the link is in the description below. I'll see you on the next one. Happy growing. Peace.